Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scrap and Stamp YouTube channel. It's Jess here, and today I'm excited to share a fun shaker card featuring Avery, Elle, and Tonic Studios. Let's dive right in. And here's a look at the supplies we'll be using today. Picket Fence sequin mixes in Pink Flamingo Mambo and Candy Kisses, Avery Elle's Tickled Pink stamp set, and the star of the show, Tonic Studios Creator Shaker pouches. I started by stamping the main images from Avery Elle's Tickled Pink with Memento Tuxedo Black ink on ultra smooth cardstock. Today I'm reaching for my Spectrum Noir tri-blend markers. You guys know that I love that all three blends are in one pen, taking all the guesswork out of coloring. When I'm coloring small images, I like to go from darkest to lightest, moving between colors in small circular motions. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'll go back in and add highlights if necessary. With our images all colored in, now we can work on our background. Off camera, I die cut a stitched A2 size rectangle with Bristol Smooth cardstock, and I'm going to start off with some tumbled glass to kind of ground our scene and create our beach. To get our perfect straight line, I'm just using Heavy Memo tape to kind of create a nice mask. And then I'm going to go in with some Mermaid Lagoon. And now for the reveal, love it. And then next, I'm just gonna flip over the masking tape to protect our beach area because I'm gonna add some yellow to our sky and I don't want the two colors to touch. For our sky, I'm kind of going for a tropical sunset. So I'm gonna start with some squeezed lemonade and then move on to some spiced marmalade. For a seamless blend, I'm gonna move back and forth between the colors so that I can remove any harsh lines between the two. And now we're going to add some picked raspberry into the mix. And to finish off our sky, I'm going to add in some wilted violet. And with our sunset all ready to go, I'm going to react the ink with some water. I'm just going to add a dab onto a stamping block and use my water brush. And then I'm going to gently dab away the water with paper towel. And now we can arrange our scene with our two flamingos and our little island and the accessories. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, we're going to add our shaker pouch. I'm going to start by treating the card front with my anti-static powder tool. And then I'm going to line up the shaker pouch with my card front, and I'm going to seal 3 of the flaps. Using the flap that is still open, I'm going to add in our shaker mix. And all that's left is sealing the last flap, and there we go. Here's our shaker card. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.